بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لإيلاف قريش for the accustomed security of the Quraish.
Yani Allah Azza wa Jal reminds them that Allah Azza wa Jal did this, yani what is mentioned in Surah Al-Fil, لِإِلَافِ قُرَيْش, in order that Quraysh have security and safety in Makkah.
إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف, the accustomed security in the caravan of winter and summer.
السعدي رحمه الله تعالى, he said, إن الجار والمجرور متعلق بالسورة التي قبلها, أي فعلنا ما فعلنا بأصحاب الفيل لأجل قريش وأمنهم. Yani we did what we did to the elephants so that Quraysh could be safe. And he saw that Quraysh could be safe. لإلاف قريش إلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف, so they could have security when they made the rihla, the journey of the winter, the shita والصيف. The journey of the winter was where? The journey of the winter is to which place? Where did they go? Yemen. The journey of the summer is to which place? Sham, Syria. So every year Quraysh would make two journeys. If you look at the map, Makkah itself doesn't have anything in it. Makkah has the Kaaba. It doesn't have farmland. It doesn't have dates really. You can maybe now, you can get maybe today, because of the water supply and whatever, you can get some stuff growing. But generally speaking, Makkah is not a place where things grow. So what was Makkah? It was a trading crossroads. So if you look at the path from Yemen upwards towards Syria, Makkah sits right in the middle at a crossroads. In fact, it can be a crossroads across east to west also. So Makkah became a trading center. What they used to do is they would go in the winter to Yemen and collect the goods from Yemen. And then they would go in the summer to Syria and collect the goods. They would sell the goods from Yemen in Syria and the goods from Syria in Yemen and bring them all to Makkah. And it was like that, trade backwards and forwards. That was what Quraysh used to do. And they were safe. They used to go safely in the winter and in the summer.
فَلْيَعْبُدُوا رَبَّ هَذَا الْبَيْتِ, let them worship the Lord of this house.
And that's what's required from them. Quraysh, we saved you from the army of the elephant. Quraysh, we made you safe in Makkah. Quraysh, we made you safe going to Yemen and Syria. What is required? فَلْيَعْبُدُوا رَبَّ هَذَا الْبَيْتِ, let them worship the Lord of the Kaaba. And they know the Lord of the Kaaba was not Allat and Al-Uzza and Manat. The Lord of the Kaaba was Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف, who has fed them, saving them from hunger and made them safe, saving them from fear.
And those are two of the greatest blessings after Islam that Allah can give a person. And that Allah gives you al-amn, gives you safety in your country, that you don't feel scared that someone's going to hurt you or kill you. And Allah Azza wa Jal feeds you so you're not poor, you're not in a state of hunger. So if Allah Azza wa Jal gives you the blessing of Islam and the blessing of safety and the blessing of not being hungry and in a state of famine, wallahi, Allah Azza wa Jal gave you blessings that you're going to be asked about Yawm al-Qiyamah.